Welcome to Say Goodbye to Dark Spots, an ultimate guide to achieving flawless skin. Are you tired of dealing with those pesky dark spots that seem to never go away? Well, get ready to say goodbye to them once and for all. In this ultimate guide, we will take you on a journey to achieve that flawless, radiant skin you've always dreamed of. Say hello to a new and confident you. Dark spots can be caused by various factors such as sun damage, hormonal changes, or even acne scars. But fear not. We've got all the tips and tricks you need to banish those spots for good. Step 1. Proper skincare routine. We'll show you the best products and ingredients to incorporate into your daily routine. From gentle cleansers to powerful serums, we've got you covered. Step 2. Targeted treatments. We'll unveil the secrets of effective treatments that specifically target dark spots. Whether it's laser therapy, chemical peels, or natural remedies, we'll guide you through the best options available. Step 3. Sun protection. Did you know that exposure to harmful UV rays can worsen dark spots? We'll teach you the importance of sunscreen and how to choose the right one for your skin type. Step 4. Healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet and regular exercise play a crucial role in achieving flawless skin. We'll share some expert tips on how to nourish your skin from within. Step 5. Embrace the outdoors. Don't let dark spots hold you back from enjoying life. We'll show you how to protect your skin while still having fun under the sun. So, are you ready to say goodbye to dark spots and hello to flawless skin? Follow our ultimate guide, and you'll be amazed at the transformation. Remember, achieving flawless skin is not just about appearance, it's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. So, join us on this journey and let's say goodbye to dark spots together. Say goodbye to dark spots, an ultimate guide to achieving flawless skin. Coming soon. Stay tuned.